Morning.
What's going on? My name is Rutmerry Maldonado, and I'm going to give you a tour of my life. Every morning when I wake up, I like to hear my music before I move on to my everyday routine. So, I hope you like my life. Enjoy. Hi y'all, I'm here again. And I'm about to get my dog food. Gonna get her food. There's still my princess. Hi, princess. And here goes her food. I love you, mama. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. You see how pretty she looks? Oh. About to show you my third time, or third thing on my day. Well, right now, my third thing of the day, and I start walking to the train station. I usually take the 60, but instead of taking the 60, I'd rather walk. So I'm about to cross the street. 60. This is a little bit of my main avenue where I walk at. This is my favorite store, local dollar. Find everything for $1. Stop lying. And when I get there, I'll show you how my train station looks like. Now that I'm walking, look at the bus. It's gonna come right now. You see the bus? That's my bus. Yep. I'm almost there. I'm almost at the train station. I just need a few more blocks and I'm there. Right now, the train from the other side came. I'm in Allegheny Avenue. The place that I go to, took the train to go this way. I take this train to go to school or to the program Digital Connectors. I do this every day because, of course, I don't have no license to drive. But this is what I do. Show you what I do. Right now, I just stopped in Huntington, and this is a hospital near my school. But right now, I'm on my way to school and to Digital Connectors. I will show you the name of my school and how it is in like 5 minutes, because I gotta walk there. Here's my school, home of the Bulldogs. This is my school. They have a cage in front of it. I don't know why, but they do. We got like that artwork right there in front. And this is how big our school is. It goes all around to here. It's pretty good. Of course, right now I don't go to school. Hold up. Yeah, I don't go to school right now because it's over. Session is over. But next year I'm a 11th grader and it's gonna be fun. Well, yeah, I have to go to the other entrance of our school to get to Digital Connectors. Right here they have a Bright Side Academy for the little kids. It's pretty cool. Well, I'll show you what I do next. Right now I'm in Digital Connectors. This is what I do next, right after I get out of the thing. It's Natalie, Michelle, Sean, Savan, Michael, Juan, Jonathan, Miss Kelly, and Ansel.
Miss Kelly look like crazy. You didn't record me, I'm over here. Hi.
Yeah, this is what I do next, right after I get out of the train. Yeah, we have a ball up in here. But after this, I just go home. But I will show you what I do over there.
Best heck is not here, leave him alone.
I don't curse that much.
Okay. Well, to end it up, when I get home, all I do is mess around with my laptop and just chill. So hope that you have a nice time looking at my life, and see you later.